Each person is a fascinating universe to portray, a deep mystery that only the eyes can sway. Within each soul there's an infinity to explore, untold stories, dreams that soar. Each smile holds secrets from days gone by. Each gesture reveals worlds yet to amplify. The sparkle in the eyes is a guiding light. Each person is a canvas, a poem in sight. What's within each being is a light that shines, a silent strength that in the world aligns with all their battles, victories and pain. Each being is unique, made of vibrant flame. Each person is a book with pages unturned, with words that echo, with desires to be learned. In the heart of each one, a melody plays, a rhythm that only the brave can embrace. It's in the attentive gaze that truth is found. Each being carries a depth so profound. The universe within each one is a marvel to share, for within each person there's so much to care. Each person is a fascinating universe to portray, a deep mystery that only the eyes can sway. Within each soul there's an infinity to explore, untold stories, dreams that soar. Each smile holds secrets from days gone by. Each gesture reveals worlds yet to amplify. The sparkle in the eyes is a guiding light. Each person is a canvas, a poem in sight.